Question 11 is 5 marks. It's box plot. So they gave us some table with the least number, median, and the range. And then they ask us to do the box plots here, this one. And then they ask us also to complete the table. Now to complete the table, let me just quickly explain it. I'll just take 1 minute to explain the box plots and then we do the question. So the box plots are usually something like this. Alright, so what are these things here? The first one to the left is the least number, the smallest number. And the biggest one is always far right. Then you have 3 lines here, which are the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. That's how we block or put this information. So the smallest number, the biggest number, the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. Now, have you noticed in this drawing here, they give us the ones on the sides. So this one here is Q1, isn't it? And this one here is Q3. So from this, we can find Q1 and Q3. So let's see what number is this one here. Now, this is 600 and that's 800. That means in the middle, there is 700, right? Now, from 700 to 800 is just 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you jump by 20. So this is 720, 740, 760, 780. So we got Q1 to be 780. Similarly, we need to find Q3. It's just 1200. This is easy. Q3 is 1200. Now let's put this back in the table. The lower quartile, Q1, 780, and the upper quartile is 1200. So we did complete the table. Now we need to complete the drawing here. Let me just zoom out. Alright, so we have all the numbers showing, and then we can do the drawing. Now, let me just erase this. The median is always in the middle of this box. Now, what's the median? The median is 900. So where is 900? So this is 800, and this is 1000. That means 900 in the middle here. Just make a line. Let's use the same color. So this is the median. And then the smallest number is 300. So let's plug in the smallest number. The first one is 200 and this is 400. That means 300 is somewhere in the middle between them. And always make a line to your box. And finally, we need to find the biggest number. Since the range is 1000 and the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So what could be the biggest number? What number minus 300 equal 1000? That's 1300, which is here. And that's it. We finished part A. We complete the table and we complete the box plot. Now let's look at this. On some of these 80 days, at least so fewer than 1,200 cars going into the village. Work out an estimate for the number of days. At least so fewer than 200 cars going to the village. Alright, on some of these 80 days, at least so fewer than 1,200 cars going to the, work out an estimate. Alright, so let's see, where is 1,200? 1,200 is here. right? Which is Q3. Less than Q3 is all this. And this is always 75%. So what we need to do is we need to find 75% of 1200. So this is calculator out. Just plug this in your calculator. 75% times 1200. That gives you, oh, they said the number of days. That's 80 days. So 75% of 80, because we want the number of days. 75% of 80. So that gives you 60 days. And that's your answer for this question. So always try to be careful, read the question. Now I almost get it wrong because I just didn't read carefully. So reading the question is important. What's the question asking? Is the number of days. Since it's all 80 days, we just need to find 75% of 80. So let's go to, this is just 4 marks for now. We got the 4 marks, full 5 marks. Let's go to the next question.